with my dream. I stay grinding, I stay seeing.
Hey Royalty Gang, welcome back to the Graphic Mondays, where creativity meets purpose and we design with love. So since Mother's Day is right around the corner, I decided to do something special and pack 4 Canva tutorials into one video to help you create thoughtful, beautiful designs for the moms in your life, or for your small biz customers looking for the perfect Mother's Day. And since I missed last Monday, this is how I'm making up for it. So let's jump right into it. For this first design, I'm starting with a Chibi Mom graphic design from the Elements section. I was kind of pasting between a business looking mom or a chill looking mom, so I decided to grab both of them, add them to the canvas. Then I'm just going to duplicate the canvas and we're going to work with this mom. And just because usually when it comes to moms, we tend to delay on taking care of ourselves, so I wanted this to be very polished. So moving on, this one you can change the outfit colors. You're able to change the skin complexion of the mom. So this is versatile for, anyone and everyone. And I love that for you guys. And then I'm just going to actually change around the clothes. As you can see, I chose yellow shirt and black. And then I'm just scrolling down to see if there's any other options, because at this point, to be honest, I wasn't quite sure the directions I was going to go in with this, but I finally did. So let's move on to it. So I just wanted to play around with a few elements and see what was working. I finally settled for the strawberry and hearts. So now we're going to get to the rest of the design. So I started by putting the mom at the front, then we're going to get 3 children and we're going to place them behind her in a line. And honestly, I love this layout because I think it's very flexible. So whether your mom has 1 child or 5, you can adjust it very easily. Then I'm going to add a cat because some of our families include fur babies too, but that part is optional. Add your own pets or leave it clean. It's totally up to you. Next, I brought in some flowers because mamas love flowers. And while real ones fade, these digital flowers last forever. So go ahead and add your mom's fave. It could be roses, sunflowers, whatever it is that she loves. And don't worry, it's going to look a little wonky right now, look like a little bit overbearing, but trust the process. We are going to adjust it once we get the placement set. At the top, I placed the text, "In this house we," and below each family member and pet, I wrote out things that they love doing together. So these are things that, in my household, I actually love. So I incorporated in this design. It doesn't have to be the things that we do because, every household is different. Every mommy, introduced their children to different activities and such. So just be sure to think about all the things that y'all love doing together and put that in your design. It's a vibe. It really sets the tone for what kind of love and energy mom brings into the home. I wanted this design to be about recognition, and that's the whole point of Mother's Day. So let's make sure it shows. So for those that are absolutely new to Canva, what I'm doing right now is, as you can notice, that the spacing is very wide. I don't like that. So right at the top where it says interest, that little bar right there, I clicked on the 3 lines with the up and down arrow, and that will bring you to where you can adjust the line spacing or the letters, the spacing between each letter individually. So for this one, I typed in mother in the search bar and I picked a graphic design of a mother holding her child. Then I added the text, "I love the woman you are." And then I curved it using the effect panel. I wasn't 100% happy with just that, so I ended up duplicating the text, flipped the direction, and added "Dear Mama" at the top. And I think it gave it that personal, handwritten card type of feeling, and I love that energy that it brought. So with this next design, I used the exact same text, but I switched up the elements. I found a different mother and children silhouette, more of a nurture and protective vibe. Then I searched flowers and I started layering them above the text to frame the message. You can totally skip that part, but personally, I think it really elevates the design.
Vision board ready, got goals in my sight. Borders rolling in, yeah, the future looks bright. Busy don't mean I forget who I am. My hustle is style, success in my hands.
From my Tumblr to my tea, every piece is part of me. Where my power sit, my dream. I stay grinding, I stay seen. Manifest and move, I make it real. Every step I take, every dream I feel. Novelty queens, we don't just wait. We create, elevate.
After, adding the flowers, I started to get a different type of visual for this design. And that included me tilting their mama a little bit. And I think it kind of changed the dynamics a whole lot. And then I move on to my favorite part. I added butterflies. Butterflies are symbols of transformation, hope, and the beauty that comes through change. Just like motherhood, they grow, adapt, and pour love into everyone around them. So I duplicated one butterfly, changed the sizes, and placed them around the design. Once that was done, I added some line art butterflies, just like the design before, gently floating over the Dear Mama text at the top.
Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans, emails, design.
So let's have a quick preview of the ones that we've done so far. Okay, let's move on to the fourth design. Honestly, at this point, my creative juice were in full swing with this one. I searched sunset and I chose the one that spoke to me instantly. That's a little design trick. Go with the one that moves you first. It cuts down on overwhelming and it helps you actually finish your design. Then I searched up mom silhouette and I picked the one that caught my eye right away.
But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest.
Busy days, but I stay in control.
I brought back the line art butterflies.
Sipping my dreams while I reach my goals. No slowing down, I was born to ride.
Then we went back into elements and I searched for flowers. I scrolled and honestly, I have a thing for hibiscus flowers, and surely enough, it popped up. So of course, that's what we went with. But again, by all means, choose the flowers that your mother or your wife, whoever this is for, choose a flower that you know would resonate with them. Okay, so let's get back into design. So as you can see, I started to place the hibiscus design flowers, right underneath, following the curve of the design. Then to bring a little extra spice, I added some floral stems with leaves, but they started to overpower the design, so I reduced their size, just the ones in the middle, just to balance it out.
No compromise. Manifest and move, I make it real.
Now, for the final touch, I added a curved text that says "A Mother's Love," using a soft font to match the vibe. And there you have it. 4 custom Mother's Day graphics, designed with Canva, ready to be personalized, posted, or printed. I hope these designs sparked your creativity and reminded you how special the mothers in your life really are. Whether you're designing for a customer, your own mama, or yourself, make it personal, make it meaningful, and most of all, make it with love. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more creative graphic Mondays. On Wednesdays, we have Craft with Novelty, and on Fridays, we have vlogs and, a little something every so often in between. Keep dreaming, stay soft, and let's build the life we love. I'll catch you later, Novelty fam.
Sunrise, hustle, moonlight plans, emails, designs, so Clyde demands. But I never lose sight, never forget that I'm a queen and I manifest.